Hi, I am Basavaraj Thongati from basuniways.com. One of my clients recently asked that, what is the process or else what is the procedure to get back the money from sovereign gold bond after maturity? Let us discuss about this aspect in this video. See, in case of a SGB, you will get the intimation 30 days prior to the maturity. So immediately once you receive such an intimation, the first task what you have to do is check it out whether the bank which you link to the demat account or else while buying the SGB, whatever the bank details you provided is active or not. If it is active, then no need to bother. If it is inactive, then make sure that you have to update the new bank details with the demat provider or else the bank. Otherwise, you may not receive the maturity proceeds within the time. So for that reason, don't be idle even after receiving the intimation. Rather than that, you have to act it and check it out. The active bank details are linked to the SGB or else demat provider or not. The second important aspect is post maturity. Obviously, you will get the money to your bank account directly. If you are holding the sovereign gold bond in a demat format, then the money will be directly credited to the bank which is linked to your demat account. So no need to bother. It usually takes T+1 days to get the money credited to your bank account. So don't bother about that. However, if the money is not credited even after maturity within 2 to 3 days, then don't keep idle. Rather than that, approach the bank immediately to check it out why the money is not credited or else your demat provider. If they respond or else they correct it or else resolve the issue, then fine. If not, then directly, immediately contact to the Stock Holding Corporation of India. Because if the money is not credited within the 1 or 2 days of the maturity, then there are certain issues which you have to resolve it immediately. Now, let us assume that you have not claimed the amount even after 30 days also after the maturity. In such a situation, there are steps which is explained by the RBI itself only. Those rules will come into picture. Now, as I told you, the maturity proceeds will be by default to your bank account. If you not claim the amount within 30 days, then the entity will transfer your money to the escrow account within 7 days after 30 days. Now, after transferring the money, maturity proceeds to the escrow account, if you still not claim that money within the 7 years, then after 7 years, this money will be transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund. After that, you can't approach the bank also, or else you can't approach the demat provider. Rather than that, you have to approach the Investor Education and Protection Fund, and from there only you have to claim the amount. So for that reason, don't be idle just because maturity process will be automatic. Rather than that, always try to check the active bank linkage to the SGB to receive the timely credit. And if the credit not happens within 1 or 2 days or else within a week of a time of a maturity proceeds, then better to take a serious action or else be active to find out what are the wrong things happened and try to correct it as soon as possible to receive the money in your bank account. I hope I cleared the doubts, and I think it will be clear for all of you how the maturity proceeds works in terms of a sovereign gold bond. Thank you for watching this video.